Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Today I want to test out Moonshop, which is a new app that allows users to buy Solana meme coins with Apple Pay. So I've installed the Moonshot app on my phone and I want to test it out in this video in just a second. Nothing I say is financial advice. This is all for education and entertainment purposes. Moonshot is the first app on the App Store that lets you buy and sell memes with Apple Pay. Sign up with email, Face ID, and you're in. No seed phrases, no mentions of the blockchain. So for a long time, the discussion has been, how do we onboard more people into crypto? It's always come back down to the fact you have to make it very easy. Solana has seen a lot of success, I think, this year because they do make everything easy in terms of trading meme coins. Now with Moonshot, they have supposedly made it a lot easier where you don't even have to worry about setting up a wallet. Literally just download the app and you can use Apple Pay. This is a good article today by Altcoin Buzz explaining what Moonshot app is. It lets you buy meme coins with Apple Pay. Moonshot has introduced a new feature. It is the first iOS app to allow users to buy and sell meme coins on the Solana blockchain using Apple Pay. This innovative development simplifies the process of engaging with cryptocurrencies by integrating familiar payment methods and user-friendly features. And then it looks like they already have a referral program going. Invite your friends to get 50% of their trading fees. And this is another neat thing. It looks like send your friends coins via username. No need for wallet address. All right, so if you jump into the app, this is what it looks like after you open it up. You set up the account. It took about a minute max to set this up. It was really easy. You can see these are all the top gainers. These are all Solana meme coins. And it looks like it's kind of a curated list from what I can tell. Like, for example, some of the coins I know I can find on Dex Screener. I'm not finding, for example, if I type in Zach as a token I know exists and that doesn't show up. So I think what you're going to see in here is kind of the top Solana meme coins, and they'll add them like a centralized exchange does, like a Coinbase or a Binance, right? Adds coins. I don't know that for a fact, but that's my guess on how this is going to work. So you can see you have all the big ones here with Popcat, Bonk, Billy, and so on. So this is pretty cool. So let's just click into one. Let's go into Bonk, and you have charts. It's kind of neat. You can look at 3 minutes, 1 day, max, and then if you scroll down a little bit, right now I don't have anything. I haven't bought anything, but this is kind of cool that it does show you the information about the meme token, market cap, volume, all-time high, circulating supply. This is interesting too. You see at the bottom, sold, bought. So that's kind of interesting. That must be live trading on the app right now for Bonk. Let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at Whiff, and same thing. Very easy to navigate. Tells a little bit about it. Popular meme, dog with hat, vibes with friends on chain, market cap, volume, real time, who's buying and selling. So that's interesting. So you can see there's a lot to choose from. Again, my guess is this is going to be like Coinbase or a centralized exchange where they choose what to add. If you go to refer, so they already have a referral program that you can start using and sharing with friends. And then holdings, I don't have anything in here yet. I haven't made a purchase, but let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. So I'm going to go to Bonk, and I'm going to click on buy, and then you can see right here by default it's going to say Apple Pay, but I guess you could use PayPal, you could use credit debit card, or you could use crypto as well. So that's cool. All right, but let's click buy, and then let's change this to Apple Pay, $30, and then let's say swipe to deposit. It's going to ask me for a code. It's sent to my email. Okay, so I entered the verification code, click continue. So it looks like you do have to enter some of your information. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll enter this and I'll be right back. I'm guessing you only have to do that on the first time you do it. Enter billing address, and then you're going to have to enter your cell phone number. Again, my guess is this is just the first time you make a purchase. You'll have to go through this process. All right, so I've completed the verification process. It only took a couple minutes, pretty easy. Just like a centralized exchange, right? You have to do KYC, so that's a downside in my opinion, but there's really no other way if you're going to have it as an app like this in the App Store. And again, I think the general public, non-crypto natives, it's not as big of a hindrance as it is crypto native people. But yes, you do have to, on the first time that you try to buy, as I am here, go through that process of setting up your account and verifying it. All right, so that is complete. It says confirm your order, and so I'll go ahead and check this and buy with Apple Pay. One final security check. Crypto transactions are irreversible. All right, I'm going to say confirm order. And let's go ahead and confirm it. So it looks like my payment failed. All right, so for some reason, Apple Pay method did not work for me. Probably just the way I have it set up with one of my cards. And let's change this from Apple Pay to credit card. Say $30. Swipe to deposit. Okay, so I entered my payment method. All right, so now it's gonna ask me to verify my card, so I'll have to take a look at my bank account and see what the amount they deposited was and enter it here. Okay, so it was 1.5 153 verify card. All right, so now it's gonna ask me to confirm my order. Again, this time I'm paying with a debit card, and I'll go ahead and check this and say pay $30. So it's depositing the funds. If Apple Pay would have worked for me, this would have been very simple. Trying to add my credit card and doing it this way, there's a lot more steps. But I think the point is the new update they made was adding Apple Pay. It just could be me not having the right credit card or debit card linked to my Apple Pay. I'm guessing that's probably what it is. So this is still depositing. I'm gonna go ahead and try again at another time. Being able to use Apple Pay is the main thing really that is different and kind of takes away the friction. Apple Pay didn't work for me in this example. Probably user error. I could definitely see this as an app that kind of catches fire with mainstream non-crypto people and allows them to kind of get into the Solana meme coin game without really even realizing they're interacting with blockchain. If we click on settings, it does look like you have the ability to export your seed phrase. So it says your moonshots are held in cryptocurrency wallets that you control. You can access these wallets using your seed phrase outside the app. So that's interesting. I do think that Moonshot has the potential to onboard new users into meme coins, specifically Solana meme coins, similar to the way that the VV app back in 2020 or 2021 onboarded a lot of people into NFTs, even though it was a very centralized thing. It did wake a lot of people up to NFTs, and they eventually created their own MetaMask wallet. And then I think in this case we could see something similar with Moonshot and meme coins. Meme coins are the NFTs of this cycle. People are onboarded in a simple way through this. If Apple Pay works for them, like it didn't for me, but again, it's probably user error. I can see the potential of this really catching on and bringing in a lot of new people into the meme coin world. I'll continue to monitor the growth of Moonshot and see where it goes from here. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.